How to install Slack on Android. Want to stay connected with your team right from your phone? Let's walk through how to install Slack on your Android device. It's quick and easy. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Step 2. In the search bar, type Slack and hit enter. Step 3. Look for the official Slack app from Slack Technology Inc. Step 4. Tap install and wait for it to finish downloading. Pro tip: want to always have the latest feature? In the Play Store, tap the three dot icon and enable auto update for Slack. Like this, you'll be updated with the latest version as well as the new trends that come within the Slack app.